As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Weber Q1000 and the Napoleon Prestige 500 grills, right? That's quite a jump in size and price.
Totally. The Weber Q1000 is like a portable tabletop grill, perfect for tailgating. The Napoleon, on the other hand, is a full-blown outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, the Weber's cooking area is only 189 square inches. Small, but mighty. It uses those disposable propane cylinders.
I see the Napoleon has a whopping 500 square inches of grilling space. Plus, it's got an infrared rear burner and a sizzle zone side burner. Fancy.
Right? The Weber's got one stainless steel burner putting out 8,500 BTU. Simple and effective.
The Napoleon's packing serious heat with 4 main burners at 12,000 BTU each, plus that 18,000 BTU rear infrared and a 14,000 BTU side burner. That's a lot of BTUs.
For sure, the Weber's porcelain enameled cast iron grates are good for the price. Easy to clean too.
Napoleon boasts 7.5 millimeters thick stainless steel wave grates. Those should last a lifetime and give you those professional-looking sear marks.
Speaking of ignition, the Weber's got a simple push-button start. Reliable enough.
The Napoleon has a flame-throwing ignition system which sounds way cooler, and it has safety glow knobs that light up. A neat safety feature.
The Weber is all about portability. It only weighs 27.5 pounds, easy to move around.
Yeah, but the Napoleon is a beast at almost 200 pounds. You're not moving that around easily, even with the casters.
And, the price difference is huge. The Weber's around $229, while the Napoleon, when it's in stock, is in a whole different league.
Definitely a different target audience. One's for quick, portable grilling, and the other is for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Plus, the Weber is ready to go, and the Napoleon needs assembly.
Exactly. It all depends on what you're looking for. A compact grill or a full outdoor cooking experience.
I think it boils down to space, budget, and how serious you are about grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.